Accurate hearing testing performed online in a home setting is now possible through a combination of technology, sound engineering, and medical research. Although there are many different kinds of online tests available, the best ones have the user go through a calibration process given testing environments and equipment used will be unequal and non-standardized. As such, calibration must be performed in order to obtain accurate and useful results that are comparable to more standardized testing methods. For this particular online test, an audio calibration file is played that the user has to perfectly adjust and match sound volumes with a hand rub in front of the face. Once volume calibration has been completed, the hearing test can begin by playing the first audio file after selecting which side to test first. If no sound is heard, the next louder audio file is played. This is repeated until a warble sound is heard. At this point, the user can then move to the next column and repeat this process as shown. Even if you do not hear a sound, rest assured that a warble tone is being played when the ear icon displays a sound symbol. The warble tone presentation is completed when the sound symbol disappears. Here, the video has been significantly sped up to quickly show the hearing test being performed. In reality, you should perform the test slowly and methodically with as much focus as possible. After the left ear hearing testing is completed, the right side can be evaluated. Once both ears have been checked, the hearing test results can be viewed on a standard audiogram. The horizontal axis displays pitch going from low to high. The vertical axis represents hearing sound levels, with normal being anything lower than 20. The higher the sound level, the worse the hearing. The blue X represents the left ear and the red circles represent the right ear. The overlay button adds further sound info within the audiogram. The first overlay outlines an image known as the speech banana and represents the area within which different alphabetical sounds exist during regular talking. Vowels are located on the left green side while the consonants are present within the right blue area. If your results are within or below the speech banana, conversational sounds will be either muffled or even completely inaudible, causing an individual to either misunderstand part of or unable to understand any speech conversations. The second overlay shows where everyday familiar sounds are present. This audiogram can also be printed or saved. Selecting the clear markers removes the test results so a new hearing test can be performed.